Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, consideration to supply Pralay missile to Armenia. As reported earlier, India is now considering a request from Armenia to supply the Pralay tactical ballistic missiles. This development comes amidst heightened tensions between Armenia and Azerbaijan in the Nagorno-Karabakh region. It was reported in June that Armenia had approached India seeking to procure the Pralay tactical ballistic missile to counter Azerbaijan's acquisition of the Israeli LoRa long-range surface-to-surface missile system. Next, developing uncrewed surface vehicles in India. Liquid Robotics, a Boeing company, and India-based Sagar Defence Engineer Private Limited have announced a strategic partnership to co-develop and co-produce scaled uncrewed surface vehicle systems. This collaboration aims to strengthen maritime security in the Indo-Pacific region and promote defense cooperation between the United States and India. Next, ISRO aims for highest lunar sample return, Chandrayaan-4. ISRO has set an ambitious target for its upcoming Chandrayaan-4 mission to return 3 to 5 kg of lunar samples to Earth. If successful, this would surpass the current record held by China's Chang'e 6 mission, which brought back 1.9 kg of lunar material. Chandrayaan-4 is scheduled to be launched in 2027 with an approved cost of rupees 2014 crore. The objective of this mission is to collect and return lunar samples to Earth for scientific analysis. Next, Dassault Aviation to expand supply chain in India. Eric Trappier, chairman and CEO of Dassault Aviation, has said that in today's complex global landscape, the aviation industry faces unprecedented challenges, including supply chain disruptions and the potential for subcontractor inefficiencies. To mitigate these risks and ensure the continued success of our operations, Dassault Aviation is implementing a comprehensive strategy that involves both internal and external measures. Next, Prachand Munition Hardware TOT, a report. Apollo Microsystems Limited has achieved a significant milestone in its defense manufacturing journey. The company has been shortlisted by the Armament Research and Development Establishment under the DRDO for the transfer of technology related to the production of Prachand munition hardware. Prachand is a potent anti-tank munition designed to deliver a full-width attack on enemy armor. The successful transfer of technology will empower Apollo Microsystems to manufacture and supply Prachand munition hardware to the Indian Armed Forces. This development aligns with India's strategic goal of self-sufficiency in defense equipment and technology. Next, MCT Gland production for warships. Mazgaon Duck Limited has taken a significant stride towards self-reliance by indigenizing the production of multi-cable transit, that is MCT, multi-cable transit glands. This initiative not only boosts orders for Indian manufacturers but also saves valuable foreign exchange. MCT glands are essential components on warships used to seal cable entries through bulkheads or deckheads. A typical warship requires approximately 950 MCD glands of varying size. These glands consist of a metallic frame made from ST37 grade steel and internal cable modules of different sizes fabricated from halogen-free material. They ensure gas-tight integrity up to 0.3 bar and water-tight integrity up to 4 bar, allowing cables of various sizes to pass through while maintaining a secure seal. Thank you.